Dear Rock Mechanics colleagues, it is for me a great pleasure to introduce Professor Ove Stephens, who is going to deliver the 12th CISRM online lecture. The topic of his lecture is rock stress and stress fields. Every 3 months, an expert in a different field of rock mechanics is invited to give a lecture on a specific topic. These lectures are broadcast from the ISRM website and remain available in a dedicated web page. The attendees are able to ask questions to the lecturer by email during the subsequent 2 days. Ove was born in the old mine town of Falun, Sweden. Since his retirement in 2002 as Emeritus Professor at the Royal Institute of Technology KTH in Stockholm, he lives in Berlin. Presently, he is visiting professor at GFZ, German Research Center for Geoscience in Potsdam, Germany, and belongs to the section for seismic hazard and stress fields. He has all his academic degrees from the University of Uppsala in Sweden. His doctoral thesis was about rock mechanics and theoretical and experimental structural geology. His supervisor was Professor Hans Rönnberg, himself a well-known rock stress expert. In 1974, he spent his postdoctoral at CSIRO in Australia and studied diaparism of granites in the Northern Territories. During 2 sabbaticals at the Colorado School of Mines in the 1980s, he worked on sleeve fracturing for stress measurement. In 1974, Ove was appointed professor of rock mechanics at Luleå Technical University, and during 16 years he taught rock mechanics for the mine students and developed rock mechanics in the laboratory at the university in Luleå. From 1991 to retirement in 2002, he taught engineering, geology, and rock mechanics to the civil engineers at KTH in Stockholm. Rock stress and rock stress measurements are one of Ove's many areas of expertise. He is author of numerous papers and co-author of 2 textbooks about rock stress. The first was a very thorough treatment of rock stress and its measurement, together with Bernard Amadei at the University of Colorado in Boulder, and the other about the stress field of the Earth's crust, together with Arnold Sang at GFC. His other areas of expertise are characterization of rock joints, mathematical model, and geotechnical disposal of spent nuclear fuel and radioactive waste. He has experience of applying rock stress and its measurement to mine and civil engineering, with applications to rock engineering, mine and disposal of radioactive waste, and also induced seismicity related to geothermal energy extraction and the result of glacial loading on nuclear waste repositories. Professor Stephens' time with the ISRM goes back to 1966, when he attended the first ISRM Congress in Lisbon. From 1991 to 1995, he served as ISRM Vice President for Europe, and over the years worked for several commissions of ISRM, including the Commissions on Rock Joint Test Method, Design Methodology, Crustal Stress, and Earthquakes. He was made an ISRM Fellow in 2013. As a member of the stress group at GFZ Potsdam, he is promoting the World Stress Map project, and in particular the quantitative World Stress Map, where stress magnitude together with orientation are present. Thank you all for accepting this invitation. It will be a great pleasure to listen to your lecture.
Hello, My name is Ove Stefansson. I have been asked by ISRM to present the 12th ISRM lecture for you. And I have chosen the title, Rock Stress and Stress Field. I am an own consultant working here in Berlin, and I'm also affiliated as a visiting scientist at
dốc ra liền cần tao phải dập đi thương đi với này cô không đi dạo liền rồi đi quay gì đi quay nhiều rồi